Are you having trouble with an individual at work where there's conflict or there's some interpersonal discord? Or maybe they're consistently late to meetings, consistently late on their deliverables, and somehow there is a performance issue, either a colleague or even someone who ranks higher that you need to fix. Well, there's good news. As an engineer, there is a book out there that's very accessible. It's called Crucial Conversations. It's by Patterson, Grenny, McMillan, and Switzler. It's been out for a while. I've read it, I've taken the class, and it gives you 3 tips on how to manage interpersonal conflict that'll preserve the relationship and also possibly even get to the root issue and not the surface issue. The 3 tips are basically focus on what we want, make it safe, and then share our path, which will invite them to then share their path. So first, we focus on what we actually want. If someone missed a deadline, we may either insist that they meet that deadline for various reasons. We're on a production floor perhaps, or maybe we're not as concerned about the deadline, but the real problem is we weren't told that the deadline was at risk. Okay, so now the issue is, hey, I was not kept informed that this requirements traceability might be 2 weeks late. Now, if there's a deeper issue, then sometimes we need to then circle back and say, hey, look, you committed to this on time, and you also agreed to let me know if it was going to be late, and it's 2 weeks late and I didn't hear anything. So now we're talking about a pattern there. So it's 2 misses. We don't call them misses, but we again make it safe. We're genuinely curious as to what happened. But now we can talk about the pattern, and then if it happens a 3rd time, we can talk about a respect issue, saying, hey, you've made commitments in the past, and either to hit your deadline or let me know things haven't happened, and I'm wondering if you feel you need to honor your commitments to me. This is particularly true if there's a higher ranking employee involved. Now, if people make a commitment, we as engineers, I know we don't like conflict in general, we need to at least address the issue, because in my experience, people will continue to behave unless they're told, hey, this behavior is not correct. Because people do things for their own reasons, and unless we confront it, we can expect more of the same. So, anyhow, highly recommend this book. Reach out and comment to me. Comment if you have any questions, if you want any more references, or if you've read this book and had some very good experiences with it. Comment below as well, and I'll see you in the next tip.